So, welcome to the Desi Millennial Club. I am Saloni.
I'm Vaibhavi.
I'm Vidushi. So, we have some very interesting stories from our lives, from our childhood, from our schools, and now living in NCR. We will share those with you, and I hope you will enjoy them as much as we do.
You have to.
Yeah, there's no choice in that matter. So, the Goa trip is always a very interesting idea.
Oh man, Goa was
Every
memorable.
I still can't forget that night. I
No,
think
but every friend group plans a Goa trip,
Yeah.
but not all those Goa trips become successful. Thankfully, our Goa trip came out of our WhatsApp chat,
Yeah.
and
where
we
most of the other plans died.
died.
But we have to thank our school friend, yeah,
Definitely.
whose
The one who
bachelors
started it,
it was.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
who said he
absolutely.
was responsible for it all
All
the
the
time
time.
without taking any responsibility.
Dancing on Ude Dil Befikre.
Okay. So yeah, we ended up going to Goa. I think this was back in 2017.
17,
Yeah.
2017, yes.
During the Christmas time in Goa, which is supposed to be extremely active with a lot of tourists there, and we had some great stories. I think Vaibhavi should begin with her own story or her own trauma rather, जो हम सबके लिए ही trauma बन गया था फिर बाद में.
I
Visually,
swear.
Yes.
mentally.
I
So
think
like
Vaibhavi, please tell.
yeah, so एक दिन पहले I came to Saloni's house. We were like we leave together for the airport because पास में भी था इसका गुड़गांव से. तो मैं वहां पहुंची एंड लाइक मेरे पैर में थोड़ा सा ऐसा कुछ प्रोट्रूड कर रहा है एंड आई एम लाइक यार दिस इज पेनिंग हाँ एंड सलोनी उसको एग्जामिन कर रही है सलोनी बोल रही है कि तूने क्या किया था रिसेंटली यू नो कि मैंने कहा ऑफ कोर्स वैक्सीन कराई थी यार बिकॉज गोवा जा रहे हैं सो कहती यार ये ना तूने कांड करवा लिया है जहाँ से भी तूने वैक्सीन कराई है सही में और भाई उस रात की बात है और गोवा से लौट के आके भी उसकी दहशत मैंने सही है फॉर लाइक अनदर 15 days बिकॉज वो छोटू सा इतना बड़ा पहुंच गया ऐसा लग रहा था इतना बड़ा गड्ढा हो गया था कि सीमेंट भर के उसको हम कर सकते थे सच में आई एम नॉट जोकिंग एंड इमेजिन बीइंग ऑन अ बीच जहाँ पूरा सॉल्टी वाटर है उसमें शॉर्ट्स वॉर्ट्स पहन के पूरा चल रहा है
आपके गांव में सच में नमक
नमक नमक निगला गया है सच में और बड़ी बड़ी पट्टियां डाल रहे हैं एंड थैंकफुली वी आल्सो हैड अ डॉक्टर इन आवर ग्रुप एंड ही वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल उसने बोला कि यार ये ना इसकी ड्रेसिंग करनी पड़ेगी तू उसकी ड्रेसिंग कर इसको
I
ऊपर ही मत
remember
छोड़
that. A
and then
jeep
we
in the
also
middle
went
of
to
a serene Goa location, and there is this ugly wound which is being very
By the way,
sophisticatedly
that wound has a
band-aided.
character of its own. It's visible in all our photographs.
yes
It's
As
a
like
feature
the
and added.
eyesore. वो कहते हैं
yes
ना नजर बट्टी.
thanks to that white big putty that was around that wound. But yes यार मतलब पर दर्द वर्द भूल चुके थे हम क्योंकि गोवा में थे so you know you can understand what it was all about but yeah that was
But
one
ये तो थी वैभवी की दर्दनाक स्टोरी. उसके अलावा we went to this very interesting beach called Palolem.
Yeah.
And we were staying in, I think, Candolim, which
हाँ,
was in North
North
Goa.
and South
yes.
Goa.
And we had to go to Palolem. We went, we took a jeep, and we were like 7, 8 of us. And then we reached this beach, and I was just pressing on the fact कि नहीं मुझे तो जाना है swimming करने.
Hmm.
तो उस दिन I have actually uncovered one of my biggest bucket list things, which is swimming in the ocean, or Arabian what.
It would be the
कुछ
Arabian
भी है
Sea.
बीच है
Arabian
यार वहाँ सी
So-
है यार
Arabian Sea at night in pitch dark where you can't see anything. So we were swimming towards the nothingness. वो बिल्कुल darkness की तरफ. Me and another friend of ours, we swam for a bit और वहाँ पे हमने एक बहुत ही interesting ritual किया. जहाँ पे we all sat on a table and one of our friends, I don't want to name him, but he actually had his old girlfriend's letters,
Later.
which he lit on fire. It was too dramatic, I
Yeah.
think.
No, and
And
what
there was
about
also
he was
something
crying
that we-
along with it?
we
Yeah,
wrote-
he
Yes.
was also crying along
Huh?
with it.
yes that was sad that was pretty
Hmm.
emotional yeah and there was also something ना कि हम लोगों ने like we wrote something on chits and we put
it
them in a
It
bottle
was happening at night, by the way. Like it was dark.
dark
was
yes
dark,
yes
yes.
वो shack का थोड़ा light आ रहा था but it was beautiful यार because हम लोग ऐसे बीच में बैठे
We
हुए
also
थे
took those props, I remember, वो जो light जलने वाले,
हाँ,
वो
yes,
tiaras
on
and all
and
of
all,
those.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
I think in 2017,
I have a
17
feeling it was 2015.
No, it was 17.
Because I
17
hadn't
यार,
started
because उसके
working
बाद
then.
उसके just next month में ही तो शादी हो गई ना, February
हाँ,
2018 में.
18 में शादी हुई है.
18
हाँ,
हाँ.
तो फिर ठीक है.
70.
पता नहीं क्यों. हाँ.
So even that was like about 8 years ago.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so
घुटने बोल गए.
I don't think we can pull off a trip like that, Ab.
I
Oh
don't think
bro,
so
we
at all.
can यार.
We
अरे
can't.
तुम लोग underestimate
can't.
कर रहे हो यार. Don't
can
do
definitely-
We were barely sleeping.
I mean, we will definitely pull off that trip, but when we come back,
We'll come back as dead bodies.
Yes, dead
मौत
bodies.
हमारी
I
लाशें आएंगी
remember
वापस.
Saloni and I would get up in the morning and we went for breakfast. I have not gone for a breakfast
तुम लोग
in
walk
years.
करते करते
we-
beach
हाँ.
पे.
And I remember we used to go for breakfast every day,
Yeah.
where we would see our friend walking around.
Suddenly, like it's some strange.
So guys, it was a group trip, but वो लड़का solo trip पे ही आया था. He had no association with us. उसे हमसे कोई
And
मतलब
that
नहीं
is
था.
also, by the way, the doctor.
हाँ, yeah. That is the doctor.
I think उसके जीवन में प्रेम का कुछ नया फूट रहा था.
हाँ,
तो
yeah.
उस
बाल
दौरान-
तोड़ के अलावा कुछ और भी फूट रहा था.
Yes. And apart from that, I think you know,
अरे नहीं, वो तो बता. जो हम पालोलेम बीच से लौट रहे थे.
वही
रात
अभी आ रहे हैं,
में-
वो
हाँ,
तो-
okay, okay.
no, but that even worse thing we did during that trip. During that session, I think. Do you remember that some white girl, कोई एक अंग्रेज औरत और उसके साथ एक person आया और वो हमें एक random party
Yes,
के
they sold
invites
that to us. Yes,
दे
yes.
के चला
Tiger
गया.
Club or something was the name.
Leopard Valley.
Leopard Valley.
Guys,
अच्छा.
Yes,
Leopard Valley.
Leopard Valley.
And
वो
वो
इसकी
yes,
मेमोरी नहीं है
yes.
मुझे यार. नशा हो गया होगा शायद.
वाला पूरा situation था वहाँ पे.
अच्छा.
yeah, so Leopard Valley, guys. Leopard Valley में क्या हुआ था कि हम लोग गए और वो एक्चुअली जो डेस्टिनेशन थी वो भी हमारी लोकेशन से काफी दूर थी.
बहुत दूर था.
काफी दूर थी. So we reached and then you know we were partying whatever and then at around 4 o'clock in the morning we were like अब वापस जाना चाहिए.
नहीं,
I think it was much earlier. No, 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 no.
सुबह
उसी दिन तो फ्लाइट थी
रात
हमारी.
में 2 बजे I think we would have decided. पहुंचे हैं तो we actually saw the sunrise happen.
Yeah,
So it
yeah,
must be
yeah.
around 2 or 3.
पर
Two,
सबसे बड़ी कुंदक बात है मुझे किस बात की है, क्योंकि गए क्यों थे वहां, याद है तुम लोग को?
पुरुष की बैचलर्स पार्टी की.
नो नो, हम गए थे डॉल्फिन देखने.
Dolphin
Oh.
देखी थी.
भाई इतनी
That-
गालियां निकली थी ना, एक तो इतनी गर्मी में
Butterfly-
मौत हो गई थी.
Butterfly Island.
मौत हो गई थी हमारी गर्मी में.
Yeah.
मतलब उस जीप में
I
जाते टाइम इतनी
जाते
गालियां
time-
दी थी ना मैंने, जिसका आइडिया था वो. लेट्स नॉट नेम हिम.
That happens in groups, and I remember I was crying all the time because
yeah,
I was
but
so
why were
scared.
you crying? Vidusha?
Because I was
बिकॉज़
so
चश्मा
scared.
उड़ गया था ना ऋषि का.
Guys, this was like a.
I was not crying because of that, but that was the fun. I would still अब चश्मा पहन के अब मैं लाइफ में वापस ऐसे sunroof से नहीं निकलूंगी,
Guys, Vidushi was very excited about a pair of sunglasses which she had bought.
which
for
I
her.
lost because I was
Yeah.
trying to enjoy getting out of the sunroof and it just flew off.
Yeah, sunroof. It was an open jeep.
Open jeep.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So
तो विदुषी ऐसे लहरा रही थी.
नहीं नहीं ये
और लहराते में ही वो चश्मा इनका उड़ गया.
she came back.
And नहीं, Vidushi was like numb for 10 seconds.
Yeah, I didn't
And
want to
we were
lose
like
it.
laughing our guts out कि भाई ये कितना funny था.
फिर हमने नए चश्मे खरीदे. Also that bottle Bisleri की काट के जो speaker बनाया हुआ था.
I know that 5-liter Bisleri water bottle. We cut it in half and put our speaker in it. हमारे पास बहुत छोटा सा speaker था वो भी लेना. So I think that's how we managed that. But you know, coming back to Leopard Valley.
हाँ यार.
So what happened? We all went and we were dancing, and then these random men were approaching us, and our friends were like being very protective, like you know, no, whatever. And then what happened? This is how we planned to leave from that place, because
Okay.
one of our friends, the same person who was burning his, letters earlier,
Letters.
he actually was standing next to me, and he fell face flat
Ooh.
because he was so drunk.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I don't know this.
So then.
I also don't
हाँ.
know.
So then the doctor, the groom, everybody came in that direction. And then we were like, okay, we should leave from here. Then we planned to leave from there at around 2:30. रात को 2:30 बजे हम वहां से चले हैं open jeep में. वैसे
We
तो
were all
गोवा में
wet.
वो
Big
तो,
from the beach.
वैसे तो गोवा में होती है बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी.
मतलब दिसंबर के कंपैरिजन में मतलब हमको लग रहा था बहुत प्लेजेंट होगा, बट इट वाज सुपर हॉट यार.
In the
ऊपर बहुत हो
day.
गई थी.
In the day.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So हाँ.
But at night, it was extremely cold. Like, and we were all wearing our dresses and noodle straps and all
हाँ,
those
अपने
kinds of
एकदम
things.
गोवा क्लोथ्स में थे
हाँ.
हम लोग.
And
And,
we were wet from the beach and it was night and the speed of the Thar was the
100
jeep.
तो होगी भाई,
हाँ.
80-100
And
तो
because
होगी.
it was 2:30, there was no one on the road, so no traffic. We
It
were
was
just
pitch black यार,
was
सिर्फ
pitch dark.
हमारी जीप की ही वो लाइट दिख रही थी, that's all, and it
Yeah.
was
And then
pretty
someone
scary.
and someone was narrating ghost stories also,
Yes,
by
yes,
the way.
I'm sure someone was. Also, we had some towels. So all of us who were sitting in the back of that car, we were wrapping ourselves in towels. And I remember that, the friend of ours who was driving, he was feeling extreme cold in his throat. So I was wearing a shirt on top of my dress. So I gave him my shirt. He wrapped it around his neck.
Neck.
And that's how he drove the rest of the way.
And the one who had the on the conductor seat, whoever wanted to sit, so there was this thing he kaun baithega aage, because that was at least covered.
Yes, yes.
Piche it was
Yeah.
so cold. One of our friends used the trousers to put his hand through, and his
I also did that यार.
Oh, I
Denims जो होती हैं उसको ऐसे करके पहना था कि भाई हाथ कुछ तो प्रोटेक्ट हो, मतलब ठंड कहीं
It
से ना
was-
घुसे.
and we didn't want to slow down because we had a flight to catch. We were in the middle of nowhere, and we just wanted to.
And again, like even from Candolim, the route to the airport is longer,
Yes,
right?
yes,
And all of our stuff was back in the Airbnb where we were staying.
हाँ.
We also had to clean the Airbnb before we were leaving.
Saloni
that was
remembers a
smart.
lot of things.
Yeah. Anyway, so we were coming in from Leopards Valley and we were sitting in that gypsy. And you know how you see in those haunted films that a car is driving past and in the back all the trees are closing in. ऐसे वो पेड़
Yeah.
बंद होते जा रहे थे. By the way, जिसको नहीं पता है मैं उसके लिए बता देती हूँ. गोवा की इन सड़कों पे कोई भी लाइट नहीं है. It is extremely dark. तो अगर आपकी
One thing common between Goa and Gurgaon. Yeah.
so yeah, like अगर आपकी गाड़ी में लाइट जल रही है और सामने से कोई लाइट आ रही है, that is the only visibility that you have.
Correct.
Thankfully, our Thar had like good focus
Good,
lights and
हाँ,
everything.
हाँ.
So we managed to come, but I think by the time we reached, it was already morning.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
reached
We
around
saw the sun.
5:36.
Sunrise हो गया.
Yeah.
Sunrise, we were dry.
Yeah. पर यार मैंने तो ना डर के मारे ना पीछे देखा ही नहीं था. मतलब मुझे ऐसे
मैं
पता है
देख
how
रही
I
थी.
was visualizing कि शायद पीछे एक
I
दौड़ती
think
हुई
you and
lady आ
I,
रही होगी
I
हमारी.
think you and I were the last people.
हाँ, जो हम पीछे बैठे थे.
बहुत
And
scary था
also,
यार वो.
because I have like a keen interest in haunted stuff.
I think all of us है
Yeah.
ना.
So I was like, very curious. I was looking back कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, कुछ तो दिख जाएगा.
कुछ आ जाए
कुछ
शायद है.
दिखा नहीं तो. But हाँ, definitely eerie था. Haunted
हाँ.
से ज़्यादा मैं बोलूँगी it was very eerie because
Yeah.
we were in an open gypsy and we have all seen like Ragini MMS and all those films also. So only waiting for like some bullshit
Something
to
to
happen.
happen.
Yeah, तो वो हुआ फिर हम सुबह आए and that was that. But yeah, Goa was a lot of fun. It was
Fun.
one of the trips that actually came out of our WhatsApp group. We went and I think since then we've not done such a
Not
big
done.
group trip.
I think it's only in the weddings
Yeah,
Yeah,
we,
it's a-
now
that we all
should
get
be-
together. If it's a
Yeah.
destination wedding, we get to
Yeah,
go
yeah.
places. But yeah,
But
we've
I
not
have
been
done a
we've
trip
not been
with-
able to spare so much time for each other since really
Yeah.
long.
Yeah.
Or
We
we
all
have
of
not,
us.
to be honest, we've not even tried.
We have not
Yeah.
tried actually.
Yeah,
I
we've
think
not-
if we
Because I
try, it's
think
possible.
we
it's
know
possible.
that it
Because
will
on
not be
in
possible.
weddings we
Maybe
end up making time, right?
Hmm, yeah.
So we have not made that much time.
हाँ.
in weddings we end up making so much time that we leave the wedding and we busy
And
in
do
playing
everything
mafia.
else than attend the
The
wedding.
wedding is happening. We would not go. We
By
will
the way,
continue
this is
playing
also a
mafia.
thing. I don't think we have seen the fairas of any of our friends. Somehow we just always miss it. Like I remember due to some reasons, we reached late. Friend of ours was getting married. She was a Muslim, so we really wanted to see the kubul hai, kubul hai, kubul hai. Unfortunately, we reached when the wedding had happened.
And when we entered, you said, "Kabul hai, kabul hai." So
हाँ.
oh,
नहीं,
congratulations.
मुबारक हो, मतलब मुबारक हो कबूल है वो बोल
कबूल
दिया
हो
यार.
गया.
So
कबूल
we
हो गया.
reached right after we should have reached.
Yeah.
And even when we are there in time, we will not go to the
Yeah,
fairas in time.
sometimes we end up wasting a lot of time in the hotel.
Guys, coming
Not
back to
wasting
Goa, I'm still not
mafia.
done with
Yeah,
Goa.
sorry,
हाँ.
sorry,
So
sorry.
remember जो पहले दिन था, I think we went to LPK, Love Passion Karma.
That was
I
not the
think
first
so.
day. No,
That
that
was
was not the first day. Love
I think first day we went to Cabana.
Cabana.
Cabana
First we
by
went
the
to
way, was
Cabana.
shut down, do you know?
Oh no, I didn't.
Cabana is shut down.
अच्छा, okay. क्योंकि मुझे इसलिए याद है because it was a very first party. हाँ, मतलब we had reached in the day and in the evening we were to go there. और मैं ना बड़ी एक ऐसी बिल्कुल ढैंचैक टाइप की अपनी heels carry कर रही थी अपने साथ. कहीं भी आ गया तो मैं
I
याद ना.
now remember what you're saying.
LPK is the backwaters one ना जिसमें पीछे
जिसमें हम अरे the cage
जिसमें
one.
cage था.
जिसमें वो उसका तो
वो
अलग ही
LPK था.
सीन वो भी we'll come to that. So then अब मैंने तो अपना ड्रेस पहन लिया, हील्स वील्स पहन ली, फोटो सेशन हो गया हमारे उधर जहाँ हम रुके हुए थे, एंड देन हम चल रहे हैं, तो इट वाज एट अ वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस ना,
Yeah,
जहाँ पे
yeah.
हम
That was the very first night. We didn't have the jeep till then, so we were taking those things. और फिर थोड़ा uphill ऐसे चल के जाना
हाँ
था. I remember
तभी
the first
तभी
night.
I
मैं
have
चल
absolutely no memory of this.
यू हैव
और वही दिन से मेरा रोना शुरू हो चुका था.
And
I was so scared.
विदुषी भाई, इसकी ना जान निकल रही थी, इसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये दो मेरी बेटियां हैं और मतलब ना
ये दो मेरी बेटियां, बाकी मेरे बेटे सब मुझे सब कहाँ चले गए हैं, मैं
But
कहाँ हूँ.
anyway, you know, when we were in Cabana, it was very scary for me, honestly, because I had not been to a club like that
Exactly.
ever.
I think that is
उसमें
also.
नीचे ऊपर थोड़ा मतलब कुछ सीढ़ियाँ उतर के अलग चल रहा है, वहाँ साइड में कुछ अलग है. It was very
And
like, you know,
everyone was also scattered.
Yeah.
Everyone was enjoying their
Ah.
it was
ways.
taking some time to locate your friends. You know.
And the best was the groom coming, hopping from somewhere, seeing me cry, saying, "Don't worry, I am responsible for everything." And then hopping and going back again. And I'm like, who's responsible here?
Yeah, his responsibility is very questionable. But at the same time,
It still is. Nothing has
no,
changed
but
much about
Cabana
it.
was still okay. What I loved was LPK.
अरे
I used
यार
to
it
have-
was amazing.
We were in our element, I think.
Yeah, we were in our element, and I think we were way beyond our element because, you know, while you
The
can see,
unexplored till then. Ab to
we, you know, we are anyway quite extroverted. I think all three of us are quite extroverted.
Yeah.
But in that particular club, there was a cage, like a metal cage
Yeah.
of
Hanging.
golden color. I still remember hanging from somewhere, and all three of us were hanging from the cage. And I remember
And dancing
for
as
hours.
if there's no one around. Now we were dancing
it
like
was
that.
3 of us girls and how many
I
boys?
think the boys were niche.
I think throughout they were also very they were trying to be very protective of us.
No, but I think that's also because they're introverted.
Whatever. I think
So they were
we've
feeling
grown up with
awkward.
them, so they were
but
very
यार हाँ
embarrassed.
उस टाइम पे ना they got a little awkward कि यार ये क्या
हाँ,
कर
ये
रही
क्या
है?
कर रही है?
Like,
That's
like,
what I remember.
Yeah,
let
it
it be,
doesn't
doesn't matter.
And it was such a crowded place. The cage
Oh.
had still some room.
Yeah.
I remember
Oh
it
my
was so
God. And
crowded.
it was pitch dark, by the way. Like obviously Delhi, Gurgaon, all these clubs and pubs are dark.
Yeah,
But this particular place was extremely dark.
yeah.
Then we were dancing like anything. I still remember while I was on the cage, my foot was on the ledge, and I was holding by a you know,
bar.
bar.
Hmm.
And I was feeling ki if my foot slips, I can fall on these people. But then I was also like, okay, even then I'll be safe
I'll
because
survive.
there's like
because
a cloud
yeah.
of people.
Yeah.
Until
There was no
Yeah.
room, so
it was
But
amazing.
yeah, it was.
Myself.
No, but if you think about it, I think such things we've only been able to do around our school friends.
Hmm.
I don't know why it is or how it is. Probably because we've had more opportunity to hang out
Yeah.
with them.
With them.
But there's also this level of comfort and ease, you know, around them, which
Definitely, definitely.
you've literally grown up together. So in our
there's this sense of a very safe. There's this cocoon. There's
Yeah.
safety. There's just a lot of
And
it
it's very
feels good.
raw and it's very
Yeah.
real. Matlab,
Yeah.
there's
And it has
no
been since ever, and
pretense.
there's no fear, and you've grown up with them.
Yeah,
so you
yeah, there's no fear of judgment of anything. You
Yeah.
can be who
And I
you
think
are.
our parents were also, because as far as I remember, it must have been my first trip of these kinds. But the parents would have also been very relaxed because it was all of us. They know each other, they know us.
Since
That
nursery,
brings
yaar,
me-
matlab-
that brings me to my first trip with my friends, which I went with you.
yeah.
So Vaibhavi and
McLeodganj.
Vaibhavi and I went to McLeodganj in Dharamshala. And at the time, I think Vaibhavi was working for some media channel.
Yeah.
Some media channel you were working for.
Yes.
And so, by the way, Vaibhavi was a journalist earlier for many years of her life. And now she is a lawyer. Yeah, that happens.
Yeah, because
Uh,
journalism ने दिखाया है कि तुम बेटा सू हो जाओगे, हर बात पे defamatory तुम्हारा केस लग जाएगा, so better be on this
On
side.
this
So,
side.
करने वाले side आ जाओ.
हाँ.
True. So, Vaibhavi and I, we were very young at the time. That was 2015.
We were I think 22,
22,
23
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So actually, we keep saying we were very young. Although I think जो आज की audience है, वो 22 साल की उम्र तक बहुत trips कर चुकी होती है
Yes,
अपने
yes, yes,
friends के
yes.
साथ.
But
guys,
हाँ, हमारे time
But
तो it was
trust us guys, उस टाइम पे इस टाइम पे तो ऐसे बोल रहे थे कितने
ये तो
वर्ष हो
10
गए.
साल हो गए.
But हाँ,
बहुत
but
सच उस
हाँ,
time.
उस टाइम पे 22 was also a young age only.
No,
कि
but
ऐसा-
I also want to mention, I want to take this opportunity to mention that we are from Agra. and we've grown up together. We've gone to the same school throughout since
Throughout.
the beginning till the
Nursery,
end.
yeah.
And that's why we have like so many common stories, and that's also why going for a trip, like for two girls to go for a trip on a group trip, was actually like a big deal 10
Like a
years
big
ago.
deal, yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
So we had gone, and with these people that I absolutely have no
No.
idea who they are. Like I
They
had
were-
never met them.
So basically, I worked in a company for 1.5 months where cost cutting happened, by the way. And I was very subtly asked that, instead of just telling me that get the hell out of the place, they were like, work for another month and basically cost cutting का scene है, so we'll have to let you go. So yeah, okay, वो मैं नहीं लाऊंगी trauma अपना, but that's how I met those people.
Oh, I didn't know you were laid off.
Yeah, I do.
No, but genuinely, I didn't
हाँ.
know.
Come on यार, तुम लोग को पता है यार, 1.5 महीने बाद ही
मुझे
हो
नहीं
रहा
पता
था।
पर तुम लोग ने मैक्लोडगंज में भी बात नहीं की. So were you laid off
Anyway,
before the
I
I
time
had
when
left the
you had
company,
left,
but
अच्छा.
those guys
You
then
must have looked for
messaged
another
us,
place.
हाँ, कि यार are you up for a group trip? हम लोग ऐसे ऐसे मैक्लोडगंज का
These are
plan कर रहे
these
हैं.
are girls from the place that
Not
Girls
just
and
girls,
boys.
boy, मतलब mix था.
from the
couple
place
of-
that
I don't
Huh.
remember. I remember there was a very weird looking curly haired guy. Oh, Jay.
Jay, if you're watching this podcast, it is you.
And then मतलब पता है फिर सलोनी ने भी अपने एक friend को involve कर लिया,
हाँ.
तो बड़े random लोग थे.
Or, but eventually it was just us hanging out together. And by the way, the friend that I invited was also had become better friends with her friends. And then it was just us by ourselves going to little
Because if
cafes.
I remember looking at those pictures, I never thought it was anyone except the two of you.
Yeah,
It was
because
always the
that's-
two of you.
Because they were with us in the journey, but they were not with us in the trip. In the trip, it was just
In the
two of
trip,
us.
it was just the two of them tripping.
Yeah, and I remember even when we took that trek and everything, nobody was with us.
Yeah,
it
yeah,
was just us.
it was just us.
Yeah, and
Because actually पता है
Where were
क्या,
they
it was
left?
something was very irritating about them. It was like कि यार मतलब कि तुम ट्रेन से उतरे फोटो ले ली, ट्रेन में चढ़े फोटो ले ली, मतलब they were all about taking photos,
and by
photos,
the way,
photos,
this is
and
pre-Instagram times, like
yes,
long time
yes,
ago.
and we were like, bro, just enjoy the place. मतलब भाई अपनी ये आंखें हैं, इनसे कर लो ना capture, इतना क्या photo.
We
That
were-
was very annoying for us. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
And many a times it happened कि वो लोग ना ऐसे बुला रहे होते थे कि come come, and Saloni and I used to ignore कि हमने सुना ही नहीं और हम आगे चले जाते थे because we were like यार इतनी अच्छी जगह
Like
है
it was
यार,
like 100
मतलब
feet, before
Like
it was
हाँ,
beautiful
so
place.
that was one like irritating thing, but यार हाँ, it was good actually. और एक time भी ना we were supposed to do this trek, Triune trek है वहाँ पे जो
Yeah.
बहुत famous है, but unfortunately since it was raining और landslide का डर रहता
हाँ,
है,
yes.
so then हमको guide ने मना कर दिया कि आप मत करो, so then we didn't do that, but we went to this place ना sir,
Khajiyar. We went to
Khajiyar.
Khajiyar where we did a zorbing experience.
Yeah, that was
Zorb-
Both
ball
of
के
us-
अंदर.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
Vaibhavi and I were inside a zorball.
one ball of course because
Yeah.
as you know we were together.
And I think nobody else did zorbing.
Nobody
apart
else
from-
did.
What were they
Again,
doing?
Photos.
So anyway, this was a very interesting experience, guys. We were inside something that looked like a home.
हाँ,
We had to actually enter back also.
but I
like
was
it was a-
scared. ऐसे ना
yeah.
ऐसे गुफा छोटी सी हो, उसके अंदर आपको ऐसे you have to make
You
your
have to,
way.
like, dive inside the ball.
हाँ, हाँ, वो
And
ये
then-
actually said कि jump कर जाओ,
हाँ.
बस तुम घुस जाओगे ऐसे.
And then उसके बाद we were strapped.
Oh, and then you had to go like,
And then the
oh.
ball was on its own, yeah. And then we were
हाँ.
like, oh my god, given
It was
my levels
amazing.
of, claustrophobia and everything, I am very proud of myself for being able to do
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
And I was worried that I might puke on her.
On her.
It
हाँ,
was
of
like
course.
a ball.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
And मुझे तो लग रहा था कि यार मतलब कोई पिन विन पड़ी हो ये फट जाए तो भाई
हाँ,
हम तो उसमें ट्रैप हो जाएंगे
हाँ.
मतलब
और
you know.
हम ball से लुढ़कते
Final destination.
हाँ.
But thankfully none
Thank
of that
God.
happened.
हाँ, and it started raining also.
By the way,
It
do you
was like-
remember I fell? There was some keychurd. in
There
that.
have been many
Many
times
times,
when you've
exactly.
fallen. So ऐसा कुछ particular
याद
memory की
नहीं।
जरूरत नहीं है उसमें.
Saloni falls very
Saloni
often. She can
and
fall.
falls go hand in hand.
Go foot in foot.
I have a logic to that. And I said this to one of my friends, and she laughed really hard. So she said that, how did you fall? Like, there was no reason.
She actually falls like that when there's no reason for one to fall.
At that moment. So I was like, listen, when I start falling, I just give in. I'm like, just fall, bro.
Just गिर जाओ यार.
हाँ,
क्या?
क्या हो गया, गिर जाओ, थोड़ी बहुत चोट लगेगी, स्ट्रगल करोगे ज्यादा लगेगी.
ज्यादा लगेगी. ये सही कह रही है.
Fact
ये सही
है.
कह रही है.
Just fall.
बह जाओ ना. Just go with the flow.
So that I did go with the flow in Khajar as well.
Khajar
And I
as well.
fell and I was all dirty with mud and because there are large trees, I think pine trees or something.
हाँ, yes.
And very beautiful, very scenic place. But
हाँ.
after 20 minutes, we were just looking at each other. अब करना क्या है
अब
यहाँ
क्या
पे?
करना है? अब let's.
क्योंकि
That's one thing that happens on your trips.
Huh.
We've not traveled so much together, but I think, and I realized that pretty recently, where even when you go to these places where it's peaceful all around, you're not peaceful from inside. You're in this habit of hustling. So the very second day, third day, we were in a place, me and my husband, we were in a place where we were in the middle of a water body, backwaters. It was just us. I think there were rarely any guests in that resort, and I think he was very peaceful. But by the second, I was like, I cannot take any more of this peaceful times. I'm not.
That reminds me, जो तुम लोग जब रणथंबोर गए थे तुम दोनों, तो तुम
हाँ.
लोग का स्टे बहुत ही सुंदर था यार.
बहुत
जो
सुंदर.
We
जगह
actually
थी.
enjoyed both.
तब tell me something.
Yeah.
Tell
things
me,
there.
tell me
So
more
I'll
about
tell
it.
you what happened. This was actually the most quick plan that was made, right? For example,
Yeah, I know because
you were not us.
no.
So you were us.
God, you're so mean. You asked me, but
And it was because of
I
her that we were
was
going.
stupid enough to say no. But yeah,
Okay.
please tell me. Yeah.
Okay, so we did ask you. That's
Yeah, we did. Ask.
So the good thing was I called her and I was like, listen, I really want to go to Ranthambore and I want to see a tiger.
Hmm.
I didn't say anything. What property? Nothing. As she was like, Menka, will you go? And she was like, when? So I told her this weekend. She's like, chalte hain.
You asked me to go to a place for a weekend. I will never say no.
Yeah. So basically, we were also very practical about it because see, I can drive. I could have driven to Ranthambore, but none of us wanted me to exhaust
Hmm.
Yeah.
so much. So we were like, what is the easiest, quickest way to go to Ranthambore? So we saw there's a Rajdhani train.
Oh, wonderful.
And so we actually got tickets also. So we booked Rajdhani. We took it from Delhi and we reached Savai Madhopur, which is
That's
the
the
station.
station.
In
for
like
Ranthambore.
Time.
In like
3.5
hours.
Wow.
Yeah, very
Wow.
cool.
Wow.
That's
So-
another reason that I guess
Wow.
like if something is because even if it's a weekend, you don't want to spend 8 hours, 10
Yeah.
hours
On
reaching
road,
the
na yaar,
place.
what's the
Yes.
point?
So
na?
the moment we reached the Savai Madhopur station, that I must tell everybody, the entire station is painted with tigers.
It's
Wow.
So it's
it's
like
very pretty.
the moment you
looking.
enter, they want you to see a tiger. It's like they keep investing in your mind.
Wow.
कि यहाँ पर आके आप टाइगर देख के ही जाइए, you know.
Hmm.
So from Savai Madhopur, Ranthambore is like a little drive away, like 30 minutes or something. We were very fortunate because we booked Jodha Palace, I think.
It was a
Wow,
new
what a nice name.
new property.
Yeah.
Acha.
It just started. It was that's the whole thing that's happening
But
in
yeah,
Rajasthan, na?
it was so
Converting the
beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Palaces.
forts and palaces.
Yeah,
to-
so it was a palace, and I am crazy about these things, right? Both of us actually. So we actually got a drive. Like the manager sent a guy to pick us up, and he picked us up, took us to the hotel.
Oh.
Very nice service. Like
Hmm.
this was not part of the plan also. Like he offered, and
Hmm.
so we went. At the moment we saw the place, we were like mesmerized. We
Hmm.
spent the
Beautiful.
night like walking around and वो बिल्कुल वो भूल भुलैया की याद दिला रहा था जैसे कि एकदम यहाँ
There
पे
was no
मंजू
one
पिता आ
else,
जाएगी.
and it was raining by
It
the
was
way.
raining, yeah.
It was raining
November,
and
no? November
हाँ.
in Ranthambore.
yeah, it
Ah,
was
okay.
raining and it was just us. It was a
Yeah.
beautiful big property, but of course, since our room was in the top at the corner,
Oh my God, our
there
room
was-
was like on the third floor. The only room in that wing. जैसे होता है ना कि आपका ईस्ट विंग में ये है, वेस्ट विंग में ये है, महलों में तो ऐसे ही होता है. तो
Imagine
हमारा
यार.
एकदम कोने में ऊपर एक कमरा था एंड वहां लालटेन लगी हुई है, वहां पे अंधेरा है चारों तरफ, बारिश हो रही है. सो लाइक कोर्टयार्ड हाउसेस होते हैं ना जहाँ ऊपर छत नहीं होती, वहां पर आप देख सकते हो कि नीचे
हाँ.
पूरा गीला है.
एक वीडियो मैंने तुम लोग का देखा था जहां से तुम ऐसे ना बेसिकली अपने रूम से बाहर दिखा रहे हो रात का एंड इट्स पिच
Pitch
I was
dark.
about to come to that. So
another
basically,
nothingness
yeah,
experience.
we reached our room
somehow.
because there
हाँ.
were no lifts, by the way.
हाँ, you
take
had
the
to
stairs.
Take the
So
stairs.
third floor stairs.
वो wooden feeling wala
Yeah.
stairs and
Ah,
Like
okay,
very
okay.
mahal like.
Hmm.
So we took the stairs, we went up, so we explored the entire room. Room was beautiful. It
the
was
bed
like
was such a
very
pretty
luxury
bed.
beds and like
Acha.
very Rajkumari vibes.
Hmm.
You know, we were getting. Then we were like,
The
okay, let's
washroom, you
see.
remember?
Yeah, the washroom.
The
was
washroom
huge.
was huge.
अच्छा
Huge, very nice. So then we were like, okay, let's see balcony में क्या है, let's see, let's explore. And हमने बड़े excited होके ना दरवाजा खोला है
और कुछ नहीं.
और हमें जंगल में अंधेरे के अलावा कुछ भी नजर नहीं आया.
Okay.
Like we could not see anything. Again, guys, Ranthambore has no lights. So please go at all, go at all.
हम लोग
your
जगह ही
risk.
ऐसी चुनते हैं
हाँ,
जहाँ रोशनी
lights
ना
will
हो
be- पता है, मुझे लगता है कि as Indians we should incorporate the habit of taking a small torch with us. Now we have a phone. But
हाँ,
Yeah,
yeah.
people in Europe, a torch is a must in
Band-Aid,
their
an
cars
umbrella,
and their
a
वैसे
bags.
ये ट्रैकिंग ट्रिप की होते हैं एसेंशियल्स आई थिंक इट
हाँ.
शुड बी एसेंशियल
हाँ,
फॉर एवरी
everything.
ट्रिप
मैं फिर से
Because
बोल रही हूँ,
India
गुड़गांव में
में-
भी चाहिए. गुड़गांव
में
still
एक-
doesn't have a lot of
I think इंडिया में हर जगह ही ट्रैक करना पड़ता है ना.
हाँ सही बात है
तो
off-roading experiences.
Yeah.
गुड़गांव में तो वैसे भी इतने ऑफ-रोडिंग.
तुम लोग तो रह भी रहे हो ना यहाँ पे ऐसे
मैं
मतलब
तो 10
The
साल से रह
moment
रही
you
हूँ.
step
are
out
na-
of your house,
यू आर
like-
ट्रैकर्स मोड ऑल द टाइम
the moment you step out of your house, जंग शुरू हो जाती
जंग
है.
शुरू हो जाती है
तो anyway, so तो वहां पर कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा था. एंड बाय द वे दिस आवर होटल्स विंडो एंड हमारा तो ऊपर था कमरा एकदम. हमारा व्यू था जंगल का व्यू, राइट? तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि डार्क आसमान जिसमें बाय द वे बहुत सारे स्टार्स दिख रहे थे, which was
Wow,
something we
यार.
don't see here. और उसके नीचे एकदम पिच डार्क जंगल, पेड़ ही पेड़, और दूर दूर तक कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा है. लाइक हमें अपनी बैल्कनी के नीचे होटल भी नजर नहीं आ रहा था. इट वाज लाइक हम आसमान में कहीं लटके हुए हैं.
Hmm.
And it was very scary. Although then, you know, I put up a lot of stories on Instagram and kind of eased the tension.
टेंशन
But it was really fun.
I don't know how, but we did fall asleep.
Yeah,
I'm-
we were-
I'm usually a very
tired.
scared person in such situations, but हाँ, we were tired.
बट ये
Right.
दो जनों
I
को
think we
फर्क तो
went
पड़ ही
we
जाता
went
है.
right after Friday को गए होंगे ना, तो we went
हाँ.
right after our
Work.
work.
Also,
Must be
I think
tired.
we were watching something and we slept.
हाँ, we didn't
By
realize.
the way, we also ate some very delicious food there in their
In their
restaurant.
hotel.
And
There was by of course not later at night, but in the evening they were also playing those typical Rajasthani songs and all of that.
and folk dances and everything.
But the best part was just being alone in this mahal. And we were really hoping someone comes, and the next day I don't want to name that community, but one of the most noisy ones
Noisy community.
were
Same.
there next.
Noisy-
I think we woke up with
Noisy
their
Bhujia communities. I cannot say anything behind that.
anything more
So, you know,
we
I'll
woke
tell
up with
one more-
their noise, and we were like, "Chalo."
I'll tell
There's
one more
like she was
interesting
one.
thing, okay? So basically what we both loved about that place was how hospitable they were.
Yes.
Like, please thoda sa kha lijiye. Please, like even in a buffet, nobody says that you all kha lo.
And they had things that were very common to their place. I remember
Yeah.
they served some
Regional
things.
होगा.
हाँ,
Some
जो
मीठा
राजस्थान
जैसे-
का होता है.
हाँ.
And we were,
I think they had lal mas and all also, but I
हाँ.
think during that time we were not eating
हाँ,
chicken.
we didn't
or-
have that.
So-
हाँ, COVID के बहुत बाद की
हाँ.
बात नहीं है ना ये.
21.
21 यार
हाँ, so probably that's why we must not. be
सेकंड
eating.
वेव खत्म
I remember carrying masks also.
Yeah.
We
हाँ
were
तो
very-
दैट
wearing
टाइम
masks
तो यार
also.
होता
हाँ,
था ही
we
सब
were.
कुछ
We
यार
were wearing masks also. Even in the safari, we were wearing.
हाँ.
Oh God, safari यार guys.
Yeah, so I'll come to that now. So basically, the moment I was leaving from my home in Agra to meeting her and to telling her, I told her, I was like, मैं टाइगर देखने जा रही हूँ, टाइगर देखने जाएंगे.
हाँ, she was very sure that
I
हम
was sure.
देखेंगे.
देखेंगे.
And like I don't know, I've never been to a like safari like this before on my own. So I actually booked only one safari. I was like, हाँ हमें तो दिखेगा ही. For me, this was not a question कि टाइगर नहीं भी दिखता है. Right? Then we got into the jeep, and you know there were other people also with us because obviously some random people were also in our
One
jeep.
character I would
Yeah.
like to
Yeah.
know more
Yeah.
about.
What is
this.
life without such characters?
हाँ यार.
And we
Totally.
somehow always end up finding
It's the energy.
we attract.
So we reached, you know, we got into the jeep, and I was like, and other people were like, अरे ये तो हमारी सातवीं सवारी है, हमें एक भी नहीं दिखा.
सातवीं
That couple-
सफारी.
People do it, so there are typically, I think, एक तो there are multiple zones. So
हाँ.
one
Yeah,
the
right,
zone.
true.
So people there, and we found a person. I would still recommend anyone who goes to Ranthambore contacts this person without naming him. So people there who
How
arrange for
will
it.
they contact
हाँ यार.
him?
How will they contact?
No. I'm saying the people that we know, not
Okay.
not our audience.
Ah, okay, okay.
No, our audience also. We can,
We
but
can share.
उसके business
Yeah,
के
you
लिए
can,
अच्छा
उसके
है.
business के लिए अच्छा है भी
कोई
क्या
हमें
है?
comment करेगा तो.
तब तो गाली नहीं दे रहे उसको तो नेम कर सकते
नहीं, very nice. He helped us a lot. And so they know कि किस zone में sighting के chances ज़्यादा हैं. There are multiple zones. I don't know the number.
हैं.
So you choose basis that. You वो
I
intellect
think
को
we went to
insight
zone
वाले.
4.
हाँ, would not
ये
remember. So,
minute details इसी को
हाँ,
याद रहती हैं.
I wouldn't. And also there are multiple throughout the day, multiple safaris. I think एक सुबह होती
Early
है, 2 दिन में
morning,
होती
then
है,
in
फिर शाम को
evening.
होती है.
So we went to the evening
Sunset.
safari.
अच्छा.
Confidence देखो. उसी evening safari की रात में हमारी ट्रेन थी.
ट्रेन थी. और सुबह हमने मस्त एकदम पूल वूल
Chill
एंजॉय
करा है,
किया.
pool में घूम रहे.
It was raining
We could
and we
have
were
done 2-3
swimming.
safaris in
क्या
that
आपकी
duration.
जिंदगी हताश है? इनसे मिलिए.
Confidence.
जब भी टाइगर्स किसी भी सफारी आप जाएं, आपको लग रहा है टाइगर ही दिखेंगे, इनको साथ लेके जाएं.
Do watch this
She
video.
brings get that and
Tiger
she brings
magnet. मेरा दूसरा नाम
Luck.
टाइगर मैग्नेट है और बहुत सफारीज में लोग यूज करते हैं. तो एनीवे तो हम लोग गए और वो लोग कहते कि यार हम तो काफी देख चुके हैं, हमें एक भी नहीं दिखा, दिखता ही नहीं है टाइगर एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड सो एवरीबडी वाज लाइक समथिंग दे ऑल सेड शेरा वाली माता
हद हो गई यार.
टाइगर दिख जाए, सब तो एकदम अपने भगवान
There were these
But
people
I
with
must tell
proper
you,
professional
when
cameras,
we were
huge lenses.
entering that that gate of the forest,
Yes, yes. That
it
gate
was a very eerie feeling.
yes.
अच्छा.
जिसने भी काल देखी है,
हाँ, oh yes.
हमने काल
Very
experience
right.
करा
काल
है.
की शूटिंग शायद वहीं की है ना?
I don't
We
know,
don't know.
but ऐसा ही कुछ था. बहुत एकदम जंगल, आपको लग रहा होता है यार आप जंगल में हो. एंड जो जीप है वो इतनी तेज चलती है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यू आर वॉकिंग पास्ट अ जंगल एंड यू डोंट वांट टू अट्रैक्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ लेपर्ड्स और व्हाटएवर.
Hmm.
तो काफी एक्चुअली हमने उस टाइम पे रियलाइज नहीं किया था, बहुत डेयर डेविल वाला काम था ये.
हमने सोच लिया था क्योंकि हम सबसे पहले थे जीप में कि हम बीच में बैठेंगे.
हाँ.
हमने सोचा वाह जैसे हमें बीच में कोई बैठने देगा. सो देयर आर 2 runs and हम बीच में बैठ गए. एक में मैं and then 2 couples came.
किसका
And
आदि एक
obviously
side
they would want to sit एक साथ.
Together.
तो हम दोनों के हमें लगी इससे अच्छा तो हम साथ में ही पीछे ही
पीछे
बैठ
बैठ
गए.
जाते. So then I was in the last row and she was in front of me. or
But we were
something.
still on the
On the right.
most dangerous
हाँ.
corner.
मतलब टाइगर आके मुझे ही खा जाता सबसे पहले.
और वो भारत सिंह मुझे ही सींग मार देता.
हाँ.
It was so close.
सींग मार नहीं देता, सींग पे उठा के ले जाता.
फिर तो शिव फोक में लगा. तो एनीवे सो ये हम गए और बहुत तेज तेज चल रही थी एकदम जीप. ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई मिशन पे जा रहे हैं कि कुछ तो होगा. अच्छा फिर सडनली हमने देखा कि रुक रही हैं, आगे की जीप्स रुक रही हैं. तो हमने कहा क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है. तो हम लोग कहते हैं अरे भैया भालू वालों दिखा दो, कुछ तो कर दो.
कुछ तो
दिखा दो.
हाँ.
क्योंकि डियर वियर दिख रहे थे
Deer.
बट हमें मजा नहीं आ रहा था,
हाँ.
कुछ बड़ा देखना था. इतने में क्या हुआ, देखा तो 10 मिनट के अंदर विद इन 10 minutes ऑफ एक्चुअली गेटिंग ऑन
Entering.
it, there was a tiger who was on a hunt.
Oh yeah.
Like he
There was a
preying.
carcass and he was
हाँ, so
eating.
basically
Oh
what had happened, he had
God.
recently killed a deer and वो उसको बिल्कुल सांबर deer which is huge और उसको वो पूरा मुंह लेके जा रहा है और ये करके जा रहा है. हमने 20
You
मिनट
saw it?
Yes,
saw
yes.
it.
It was
We
pretty.
saw it.
It was not very close
It
क्योंकि
was
आगे
like
का encounter बहुत
60
close था. But
feet
it was
away from us.
pretty
We
60
saw
feet
the
दूर.
real jungle,
But we
ना?
saw-
मतलब how it works.
Yeah,
Wow.
so that's the one thing I must say about. I've been to what is that place?
Jim Corbett.
Jim Corbett.
And I've been to Ranthambore. I think Jim Corbett has nothing on Ranthambore, भाई. आपको जंगल में जाना है तो आपको रणथंभौर जाना है
Hmm.
क्योंकि वो वहां पर इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी डेंस फॉरेस्ट. ओके यू कांट टेल. जिम कॉर्बेट में तो बीच में बहुत
I think the
open
zone we
space.
were in was also like that because I've
Yeah.
seen videos
Hmm.
हाँ, तो थोड़ा
of
open
people.
है.
They're like एक water body है,
body
dried
है.
plants.
That's zone
वैसे-
one.
हाँ. So boring zones, but
So
I
you
think
chose the right zone.
Yeah, we
our
chose zone
zone.
four.
No, the
I'll
zone chose
remember.
us because we
No,
knew
no, no, we
nothing.
knew. So when
We
I was
did?
booking,
Oh.
you remember
This
the
girl must
doctor-
have done her research. I'm telling
the
you.
doctor who's
हाँ
like
हाँ I
crazy about
remember.
tigers.
Yes, yes. So
He told me
told.
to go to zone 4.
हाँ maybe. So
And he was
because
the one who
Who's
actually
this
gave-
doctor, by the way?
I think
some things have to be discussed
Of
off
course.
camera.
Off camera.
Yeah, of
So
course.
basically, he told me about zone 4,
हाँ.
and he told me he also gave me the Safari guy's number.
हाँ, this guy that I was talking about, he actually coincidentally happened to be the manager of the hotel we were supposed to, in which we were booking through a different source.
अरे भाई.
Lot of coincidence.
Coincidences.
Just I
Happy
think a
hope.
day before or something, Saloni messaged me saying you.
इत्तेफाक,
It is a
इत्तेफाक ही होता है
yeah, yes, it was a crazy ittifaq.
Hmm.
So yeah, so basically we saw that entire thing happening. The tiger is preying on it and it's angry. This was an older tiger, male tiger, very big.
They have the names, very nice names for all the tigers.
Yeah.
This one was just a code, a T101 something.
Arrowhead
अच्छा,
नाम था
okay.
इसका.
हाँ.
और T110 उसका नंबर था.
ये देखिए आप देख रही मेमोरी देख
memory.
रही हैं आप इनकी यही है बस
So
इनका।
basically, he was devouring that sambar deer, and we observed it from 60 feet away, and I was so happy. I was like,
हमें लगा मिल
दिख
गया,
गया time.
यही
मजा
तो
आ
दिखना
गया,
था,
obviously
मजा आ गया
यार।
and
यही
मैं
दिखना
तो
था,
dance
दिख गया।
कर रही हूँ
मतलब
उसके
दिन
ऊपर।
बन गया होगा भाई।
मैं 5 मिनट के लिए भूली गई कि मैं जंगल में हूँ भाई। मैं बीच में खड़े होकर और मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ और सेल्फी ले रही हूँ और everything, हवा में उड़ता जाए एंड एवरीथिंग। देन वी लाइक अब 15 मिनट 2 घंटे की सवारी थी यार, मैंने कहा चलो भैया थोड़ा और कुछ दिखा दो।
तो घास वास
अब तो हो गया हमारा मिशन
भालू वालू
अकम्प्लिश्ड।
दिखा दो, हम थोड़ा और आगे चलते हैं। पर जो हमारा एक्साइटेड कपल था साथ में, उन्हें बड़ा नॉलेज था इन सब चीजों का, क्योंकि वो कई बार निराशा से मिल
जा
चुके
चुके
थे। तो एक्चुअली क्या हुआ कि they were like, oh fresh pause, fresh pause. तो I was like, अच्छा ठीक है।
So because of the rains, this thing was wet, the
Pug
soil.
marks,
So
sorry,
pug
pug
marks
Pug
were,
marks, yeah.
and these people, of course, the Jeep guys, they know it all.
Yeah,
they
yeah,
they
yeah.
can spot these,
They
and then
see,
कहाँ
and
पे
then they tell
मिलेगा
each other.
आपको?
There's this whole network.
right,
So
हाँ।
वो उस thankfully अब वो हमें दिख गए fresh pug उन लोग को।
तो
pug
उन्होंने
marks.
उसको फॉलो किया। We were like, अब हमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा, मिलेगा। But 20 feet away, we saw a tiger drinking water from the very road,
ओए होए।
flat like this. And Vidushi and I were like, oh my god.
It was right there.
It was very close. It was like 6-7 feet away from our gypsy.
यार जान तो निकली होगी
जान
यार।
निकल गई थी भाई, निकल गई।
जान तो इतनी बार निकली थी हमारी
आई
कि
एम
हम
श्योर क्योंकि ओपन है यार मतलब।
oh god,
वो
it just had to jump on us. It's no.
and it can, it's
Yeah.
fucking huge also.
Because otherwise Ranthambore में canters जाते हैं, which are
हाँ.
huge. This thing you are
हाँ,
the
yeah, yeah,
tiger is
yeah.
there, so
हाँ.
you're safe.
Safe,
और उसमें
yeah.
बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं तो आपको डर नहीं लगता.
But I was like, we were sure कि we don't want to take a canter, we want to go in a gypsy.
जिप्सी यार।
जितनी आप अपनी दम जान को लगा सकें उतनी लगाइए, इसमें दम की क्या बात है, उतर जाइए gypsy से। Basically, one rule there is, obviously, jokes apart, guys, nobody should ever get off the gypsy at any point inside a jungle.
And should not panic and shout also.
Yeah, not scream,
Don't
not
make
talk.
noises
Oh my
यार।
God.
what
Hi Ram, hi Ram,
हाय राम हाय
People
हाय हाय।
अरे भैया अच्छा.
अरे वो आंटी यार तुम लोग बता रहे थे एक बार।
So anyway, now that tiger is with us. That tiger's name was Noor. And
Tigress,
It
and
was a
she
tigress, we later
it was
found
like she's guiding us. She's
Yeah.
walking आगे,
she's
we are
taking us.
driving
Wow.
पीछे पीछे.
हाँ, और
Yeah.
वो चलती जा रही है, हम उसके पीछे
And she's not even looking. She's not bothering to look at us only.
Because it's
Yeah.
her territory.
I
was-
was, I
her
told
territory.
Vidushi, I was like, what if, see, there are way too many tigers in Ranthambore. What if she takes us to a place where there are like 20 other tigers and they all attack us? So I was like, even if I die like that, I'm okay.
Yeah,
I'm
this is a
fine.
better way to
Rather
die
than
than the
just-
many other.
Yeah, like, whatever, many other ways. So anyway, we were ready for anything at this point, but we were not ready for the show that tigress put up for us for 45 minutes. She was just roaming around us, going inside, coming back again, making
She
eye
was
contact.
here, she went in, and she came from behind
हाँ.
us.
नहीं।
And
She
there
was
was a
even
moment-
closer.
No, and there was a moment when she was looking right into my eyes because मैं
Yes.
पीछे ही बैठी थी और मैं ऐसे टर्न हो गई, मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, मेरा हाथ भैया 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 प्लीज भैया थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा
And
लो
Bhaiya is shouting at us, ki, don't scream. We were still
We
not.
were not screaming.
That
we were like,
there was
"Please,
this
please,
lady
please,
who was with with her son. The
By
son
the way,
gave no shit,
please."
zero.
The son, this 5-6 year old boy was wearing red because obviously.
वाओ आ बेल मुझे मार।
Why?
And auntie was scared, and the other couple was shushing auntie,
हाँ,
and
चुप
we
हो
were
जाइए,
all
इसको चुप कराइए, इसको चुप कराइए।
Bhaiya was shushing us कि भाई आप लोग, and he had also told in the middle
आई
of
थिंक
it,
तुम
right,
लोग एक्साइटेड ज्यादा होगे ना।
अरे वो लड़की
हमारी आवाज नहीं निकल रही थी मेरे मुंह. I
हमारे
was
अंदर
thinking
से
I should text home and say that please,
Probably
I'm
this
happy.
is my last
It's my
message.
last message. I love you guys.
But
I'm
there was
dying
no
a royal
network.
death. There was. I would have written all of this, but I was like, भगवान आज यहाँ से there are so many experiences you have in life where you think भगवान आज निकाल दे यहाँ
बस
से,
आज
कब
निकाल
नहीं
दो।
आऊँ.
Forever grateful रहूंगी।
No, but the thing is that, so we, just to cut it short, like, we spent good time. We were almost dead. It felt great, surreal, how do you say, sublime, fearful and beautiful at the same time. So, after all of this, we were like, अच्छा चलते हैं, बहुत हो गया इसका तमाशा, तो जा ही नहीं सकते। तो फिर हम चले गए. So we left and then we saw some deers and crocodiles and whatever, and we got a nice picture. And then
And when we were
went.
coming back, the place was very beautiful.
Gorgeous place.
Very.
I तो
पूरा वो वाला feeling ना Lion King वाला feeling आ रहा था बहुत.
बिल्कुल jungle.
यार एक प्लान करते हैं ना मतलब
We should.
this time I will also come.
Yeah, you should come. We should give
Yeah,
something
I
to
think
the
we
tiger
should,
in
yeah,
return.
yeah.
Leave you there.
For the show that
But
we
then
gave
the
us-
tiger will leave me back. We can't have her. Sorry.
And the driver told us that there are people who are so scared that they pee in our jeep.
And the
For-
tiger was
Yeah.
telling,
Shit.
the tiger nahi.
The tiger was telling
Tiger
Saloni
was
something.
telling her,
She
guys,
talks
listen
to-
I was
carefully.
not supposed to talk about this. No, but the driver was telling us कि लोग आते हैं 7-7 दिन तक जिप्सी करते हैं और उनको नहीं मिलती. आप आयो पहली बार में आपको 2 मिल गया. And the second one was so beautiful, like obviously.
I
And-
would
and
I
you-
would say yeah, you
And the
guys were
beauty,
lucky.
and we were talking, I think that's the reason, obviously not supporting it at all, but there's a reason why they used to have tiger carpets.
Yeah.
The skin, the
No,
shimmer
I think
of
we
it.
should not talk about it. It's I know what you mean, but
No,
let's
I'm
not
just
say-
we'll cut this off, but at least the beauty of the
like I
animal.
kept saying this to Vidushi. Vidushi, look at its skin.
I'm sure.
And you know
It
where
was
was
shimmering.
it? It was here, baby. And we were in a high gypsy. He was on a high, like kind of a mountain, not a mountain, but like just next to
थोड़ा
us.
elevated.
Yeah,
Hmm.
elevated. And I could just दूर से मुझे पेड़ों के बीच में से उसके stripes दिख रहे थे. So I just said this to her. I was like, I understand why people kill them for their skin. It's a very bad practice and disgusting, and I'm glad it's over now.
It's over.
But it's beautiful. The most magnificent thing you will ever
It's
see.
very velvety. It's like it radiates the sun. It's such a beautiful
Like
animal.
velvet doesn't even come close to
Yeah,
what its
it's a
skin is
beautiful
like.
animal.
Yeah.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
So yeah, so this happened and this was a wonderful trip and we should definitely take some more.
Yeah,
of
I
these.
think we should. We should. Yeah, I think we should.
I feel like I'm sure we're forgetting. Like obviously there were more trips that we went to that are not coming to our mind, maybe weddings and all of that.
Hmm.
But I think this is good.
Hmm.
I think this is good for like one trip session.
Yeah.
So I hope you liked this. And if you did like this, please like it, comment on it, share it, subscribe it.
What they
Press
do?
the bell icon. to
What is
never miss
that?
a video
They do.
from DMC.
What is? Acha, wo that.
Desi Millennial Club.
Club.
Guys.
Desi Millennial Club, guys.
I don't know how to make that hard.
Ah, exactly. We're not Gen Z.
Yeah.
na.
Heart-
Sort.
Yay.
Distorted
This is millennials
fingers.
pretending to be Gen Z
Yeah.
because we just don't accept our age.
In our time, was there a heart kind of?
This is
on-
heart
I think this
only.
was-
Was it?
Yeah, this was.
We used to make it like this.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Okay, guys, हम millennial way में ही करते हैं.
हाँ.
See you in the next video. Hope you had fun. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye bye.